the HealthWorks new cooking segment, and we're going to teach you a super awesome recipe that's going to be really great for cooking with your families, right, Dr. Green?
Right.
Yeah, I think so too. It's great for the kids. They can do a little bit of mixing. It's great for the parents, and it's delicious. But before we get started, I think we need to be dressed, right?
I think so.
I mean, I'm just wearing scrubs.
We can't wear this.
No.
I got an idea.
Okay. All right, guys, so I think now we're dressed and ready. How about you?
I think we're ready.
Okay, so can you give me a little bit of a clue as to what we're going to be making?
I wonder what we have here in the kitchen. What's this?
Oh, this is perfect. This is exactly what we need. Guys, we're going to do an awesome broccoli recipe. Broccoli is so good for you. It's super healthy. This is going to be an awesome recipe that all your kids are going to love. Your kids don't like broccoli? They will after they try this. Trust me.
Chef Marissa, what's the benefits of broccoli?
Oh, there is tons of benefits to broccoli. Washing your produce, because even though it's fresh, everyone's hands have been on it at the grocery store. So you're just going to give it a little rinse in some cold water, make sure it's clean. Okay, so to teach you guys how to cut, you need a really sharp knife. The sharper your knife, the less likely you are to cut yourself actually, which a lot of people don't realize. Because if it's dull, you're going to push harder and you're going to try harder to cut that food, and you're more likely to slip and cut yourself. So when it's sharp, you're not going to cut yourself because it's going to go right through the food. So you want to make sure your knife is really sharp, and you want to hold your hand like a claw, kind of like this. So curl your hands under so that when the knife is going across, it goes down on your knuckles so it won't get your fingers. So you're going to hold it like a claw, tuck your thumb under, and you're just going to cut right there, kind of like the part you'd see at the grocery store when you get in the freezer. So the stem is cut off, and you just want the head of it. And then from there, you're really just going to kind of go around with your knife. And it's a little more difficult with this style because it's a different type of knife, but that's okay. And you just kind of cut wherever you see the trees kind of branching down. Right? The broccoli's all cut. This is a super quick, easy recipe you can make with your kids, any age level. They can do the mixing if they're really young. If you trust them with a knife, they can totally do that when they're probably 8 and up, I'd say. But I think we need some friends to try this, right?
I think so. It's really
great. Katie, come over here.
Come over.
I got some forks for you.
Yeah, thank you. This looks really good.
Yeah.
Oh, Dr.
Feeds the crowd. We like broccoli, don't we, guys?
My onion is very nice. I like the dressing.
Mm-hmm.